What's cracking, y'all? Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, baby. So what do you say we get the festivities started early, huh? Oh yeah, baby. We're drinking a little Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire today. Just a couple swigs. I was craving this Jack Daniel's Winter Jack, but I left it in the freezer too long. Some bitch froze on me. God damn it. So I gotta wait for this one to thaw out. I can sip on this tomorrow. I'm not a big whiskey guy. I drink whiskey every now and then, usually in the wintertime. Um, this is a seasonal whiskey from Jack Daniel's, Winter Jack. This one tastes like apple cider. This is my go-to in the around the holiday season, Winter Jack. I like this Jack Daniel's Fire. It tastes like what's that popular Fireball. It tastes like Fireball, but this one's smoother than Fireball. Man, it was a long day at work, man. Glad to be home. I actually have to, when I get off of here, I gotta prep the turkeys for tomorrow. I'm hosting Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna prep the turkeys tonight. Get them ready for the oven tomorrow. And I actually picked up some tequila today too. All my get-togethers, we start off with a cooler of beer, and when the sun goes down, that's tequila time. I'll show you guys the tequilas I got. So we're gonna be sipping on these tomorrow night. Got 1800 and 1800 Cristalino. This one's smooth. This one's even smoother. So that should get us through the night right there. I got family coming over. So it's gonna be my my fourth year hosting Thanksgiving. So should be a good time. But the reason for this video was I'm gonna give you guys a little pocket dump. So in the pockets today, Arcadian, or the mini Arcadian from CWF flashlights. I'm loving this light. It's in stonewashed brass. I'm really digging this light. It's been it hasn't left my pockets in probably 2 months. So this one's awesome for work. My keys, got the JRW Tough Clip. That never changes. Wallet for today. Rustic Heirloom. Ghost Bourbon. Little brass lanyard there. Pry bar is going to be the Nice Guy Machine Company Thirsty Edition Middleman. And my knife for today. Oh, I jacked that one up, didn't I? There we go. The Chavez Rendición Generation 3. So that was my carry for today. And I just wanted to hop on here, tell you guys, hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. You guys be careful, enjoy yourselves, don't drive drunk, and please drink responsibly. Alright, y'all. You guys have a good one. Have a happy Thanksgiving. And I will catch you guys on the next episode. I'm out.